Hi everyone, my name is Gabriella and I'm saying hello from Romania in Eastern Europe. I do my square foot gardening under a polytunnel because I garden in zone 7A where we get long cold winters and very dry hot summers. So we have lots of weather changes as the seasons go by. This is a system that protects my work and protects my plan. I can't wait to show you my square foot garden, so come along. So this is my square foot garden. It is actually a very small 24 square meters garden that I divided in 3 beds that are about 17 feet long. 2 of my beds have 3 rows while the one in the middle just 2 rows to allow for a path going around my garden. I chose the square foot gardening because it is really the only method that allows me to plant so much in such a tiny space. Intercropping, companion planting, all these things help with pest control and balancing the nutrients in the soil so all the plants are thriving with the minimum of damage. Following the guidelines in Mel Bartholomew's book, I did build a system of trellises and nets that allow my vining plants to go vertically. Even my squash, which is a plant with huge foliage that takes a lot of space, is staked and trained to go vertically. My power gardening bed, however, is my tomatoes and peppers bed. What other method would allow me to have 34 tomato plants and 17 pepper plants in a bed this small? I do keep my tomatoes single stemmed, as you can see, and going up instead of bushy, so I maximize on my small gardening space. Real estate is very expensive. You do not need a lot of land to garden using this method. It is compact, less maintenance, less time needed for the upkeep. So give this method a try. You will absolutely love it.